decided to go ahead and remove each memory chip and test them out with this tester here. So as I removed each and every one at a time, I tested them. They all test good. And it's not that. So I decided to go with, all right, let me remove the OS chip, the operating system chip. This one, I just removed it out of the board. And I'm running out of options. And I'm going to test this operating system with another computer and see if that's the problem. After that, the only thing I'm going to go with is the basic, right? It would be the basic. And then I might have to go with this GTIA chip here, which I left out. Maybe I should have did this one, this big chip. Because it might even be this one, and I'm just leaving that middle one out like that. Could be. I think I'm going to go with that one after I test that one out. I think that's going to be the next one. So for now, I'm going to have to put this one to test in another computer. We'll see how that goes. Okay, I got the chip out. And now I'm going to put it into this working computer. Everything's off. Just making sure I put it in the right spot. Let me remove this one. This is a working computer. Let me try this OS chip. Probably not even that. Make sure I seated this correctly. Alright, let's see if anything happens here. It's not that. Wow. Really? It's not that. Okay, it's not that. Got me there. So I'm gonna remove the basic ROM chip. I don't know. I'm gonna go with the basic chip. I'm gonna put this one back. Even though this one's working, I just want to put the one that was originally here back. Don't want any weird issues, Make sure that it turns on. Okay. So now I'm going to just end up removing the basic chip. I don't know, man. It's running out, man. Running out. All the memory's good. All of these chips. No, wait. Should I go with the GTIA chip? That's what I should go with. The GTIA chip. Instead of this basic ROM. I'm going to go with the GTIA chip. Because this is a bigger chip. It's harder to get out than the basic. Basic is just the software, I guess. But I don't know, man. I'm going with the GTIA. Go with the hard one. Going with the hard one, man. Let's go with the hard one. Go with the hard one, man. Alright, here I go. I'm going to remove that chip now. Oh boy. Let's go with the big chip. Okay, so I got the chip out. Oh boy. 40 pins. Put this on the side. Let's see if it's that chip. Plug this in. Alright. Alright, I gotta figure out which one is the GTIA chip on this board. Let me look it up. Can't remember. It's this chip here. I just wanted to confirm that, make sure. I mean, I could have looked up the numbers. I just looked it up just in case. Let's remove that out. Let's replace this. Probably not even this either. It's really running out of options. Okay, this is in. Let's give it a go. Give it a go. It's not that, man. It's not that. It's not that. Let's get the basic chip out. Let's give it a shot with that. That's not the chip. That's not the chip. I'm going to remove the basic chip. It's probably not even that either. I'm just constantly removing chip by chip. Why does the screen look like that? Doesn't look blue enough. It's not that blue, it's a little turquoise. Still shouldn't have that. You know, I'm gonna have to just try. Let's go ahead and try the other thing. Make sure this is seated down. Make sure it turns on. That one was turquoise. Why was that one turquoise color? Let me see. What happened? Oh no, I didn't seat it right. There you go. You see what I'm saying? I missed. Totally missed one pin. Gotta be careful with that. Gotta be more careful. Alright, let's go. See, this one looks blue. The other one looked more like turquoise color. That looked odd. That looked odd to me. Why does it look turquoise instead of blue like this? But anyway, it doesn't matter because I'm gonna put a socket there, and then I can test out one of these just in case. The color of the screen didn't look right. It's like a turquoise and a blue. But anyway, I'm gonna try the basic ROM chip. I'm gonna give that a shot. Okay, we got the basic ROM out. Let me just remove this basic chip from there. Put in the one from the other board. Let's see what happens. Let me connect this. Let's see. Here we go. Nothing. It works. I'm so out of options. I am so out. Something's wrong with this damn board. I can't figure it out. It could be one of these chips that I don't know what these chips are. These smaller chips. Could it be that? It could be one of those. Let me see how many chips they got. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 more chips left. 5 more chips left on this board. And then I'm just going to have to look carefully at these traces all over again when I looked at them. But I'm going to put that chip. I don't know, for some reason that GTI gave me a different color screen. Maybe it works on this one, but it won't boot up on here. But it did boot up. I don't know. Don't know what it is. Unless it is the Freddy chip, but I put the new one in, which is like a remake of it, and it just didn't work anyway. That's possibility that it just doesn't work on this board, because I've had that happen. Now with a Freddy chip with a different chip. Oh man! All right. Well, I'm gonna start just soldering some of these chips back. Don't know. I'm gonna start putting those sockets in and resolder all those chips back.